Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a tour of my office. Yay, I finally finished. So you saw my video where I did the peel and stick throughout my home. This is the peel and stick. This is a clean slate. So I purchased this cute rug from Amazon. It'll be linked down below. I love it. It's so nice and soft. And I also purchased, everything came from Amazon. This desk from Amazon. It will also be in my Amazon storefront. And the desk behind it came from Amazon. That picture was a picture I already had. I picked it up from Tuesday morning when we had one in our area, but it is since closed. So this is the preliminary of the office. And so I went and purchased these succulents from a nursery in my area. The lady at the nursery said succulents don't require much. They just like to be by a window, so I got them. That's why I have them at the end of the desk. And so she said they don't require a lot of watering, and that's all I need because I work, I work a lot and I work out of town. So yeah, I'm gonna try my hand at some succulents. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I am very pleased with the office. I created this office with the idea of working my second career when I retire, when I get ready to transition to working remote. It's going to be more remote than working from home. Sorry about that. So yeah. So this is the office. So I have that desk in the back. As I was saying, I have that desk in the back with my computer and, all my gadgets for my computer. And then I have it flanked by two bookcases that I also picked up from Amazon. The curtains from Amazon. The bookcases, the desk, the chair, everything's from Amazon. It'll be in my Amazon storefront. And I just hung the curtains last night. And they are 90 inches. The first set of curtains I had were too short, so I had to send those back and purchase some new ones. And I also picked up this rubber plant that only requires you to water about every 6 months. This is exactly what I need, something like that. So yeah, so this is my office area. I'm loving it. I find that I have been very productive in this area. I love that. I thought the desk was black, but I'm actually glad that it ended up being brown because I did want to break up some of that black. So yeah, as mentioned earlier, that picture I previously owned, it was in our bedroom, so I moved it to the office, trying to save as much money as I can. So as I stated in previous videos, what I'm doing is remodeling, redesigning, updating my home one room at a time. What I do is order all my supplies or purchase all my supplies on my credit card. Do the remodel, pay the credit card off, then I go to the next room. So this is the second room that I have worked on. This is my little shredder area right there. The first room was my laundry area. If you hadn't seen that video, I'll link it up above. And I decided to take the door off the closet, and I created me a vanity area, and there's some more items that I have stored up there. I'm gonna update that area later. But yeah, I love this little area. My granddaughter says she's claustrophobic. She wouldn't be able to sit in a closet and do her makeup, but it's fine with me. It don't take but 10 or 15 minutes to do the makeup. So I'm out of there. The vanity set, the desk came from Wayfair, and the chair is from Amazon. So yeah, I'm loving this area, my little space. So when you first walk into the office, this is the area right here to the left. You'll see some paint variations. I had to do some touch-up painting. It is still drying. I just left from Lowe's. Yeah, it's still drying. But I wanted to go and do this video. And so this little area right here is where I think I'm going to do some get ready with me shorts and post them on YouTube. So yeah, I'm just branching out, just doing all kind of things. I know this is gonna mess the algorithm up, but I'm not concerned with it. I just want to motivate you guys to enjoy life. So yeah, and I picked that picture up right there from the Goodwill for $4. And it was regular $34.99 whatever store it came from. They still had the tag on the back. So this is my office. Let me know in the comment section what you think. My coworkers, my friends that I sent the picture to, they said it looked like an executive office. I don't know if that's what I was going for, but I love it. So this is where I plan to be when I retire and work remote. So I want to go ahead and create the space that'll motivate me to do what I need to do to retire early. So yeah. And you already know I did the floors. Peel and stick, baby. Peel and stick is the way to go. But that's it. That's going to conclude this video. I'm going to let the video play, let the music play, and let you enjoy the rest of the tour. Thank you, and have a nice day.